To keep my circular knitting machine from moving around, my 48 needle works great on my granite countertop, and also I have a piece of glass made from a local glass shop that's on my sewing cabinet. But my 40 needle, which is in this video here, does not stick to either. And then it definitely doesn't stick to any wood. I even got new suction cups off of Amazon, which is on there now, and it's not working. So here's what I got, which seems to be working really well, is I got these glue pads from Amazon. I'll put the link in the comments below, and it'll also be a clickable link in the bio to my Amazon storefront. And they come with 10 little pads like this. So I'm going to take one and cut it into fourths, and I'm going to put it on the suction cup so it has a bigger surface area for them to grab onto. And they come with this little piece of plastic on either side that you peel like a sticker. So it says they're reusable up to 1,000 times, and you can wash them and then dry them, and then they will be sticky again. And they also do not leave any residue. So here is what it looks like, and it says it holds up to 5 pounds. I'm really pulling on them, and it's not moving. So I'm trying it now with some yarn, and I'm really cranking this thing really fast. It's actually bouncing the camera, but it hasn't budged the whole time. And then here's just to show you me pushing on it. It's staying in place. So now to pull it up, they do come off of the surface. You just kind of have to peel it back. So I kind of got my fingernail underneath it, and then I kind of pulled at the bottom of the legs, and they do come up. One stuck to the wood and other one stuck to the suction cup, but then it just peeled right off the wood, and it didn't leave any sticky residue at all. There's one that's left on the table, but then I got the other ones up, and then I just rolled it off, peeled it up, and there's no residue. So this worked really well. This is probably what I'll do with this machine from now on. And then I just saved the little plastic piece that comes with it, and I just stuck them back on the sticky side of them, and so I can put it on my shelf to store it when it's not in use. So hopefully this helps, but this seems to be the fix I have found that works the best so far, besides getting like a card table and drilling holes to permanently attach it to something. So I appreciate all the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and follow for more, and happy crafting.